relax. I request you all relax. Please use the chat box. अपना chat box use कीजिए to tell about your name. आप कहाँ से हैं, आपका नाम क्या है, and अगर optional है, अगर आप बताना चाहते हैं तो बता सकते हैं कि which area of your life you are seeking a transformation or a healing. So please, so that we want to be aware that okay, this is the area, this is the group which they are seeking a transformation and healing, and at that particular aspect of life. So, or you can unmute yourself and speak. If you wanted to, you can raise your hand, even you can speak. Thank you, Jinal Joshi from Mumbai. Welcome to this program. Thank you, Santosh ji. Thank you. Okay, you're from Dharwad, Karnataka. Thank you. Welcome to this wonderful program.
तुझ्या मोबाईलला 3 लॅपटॉप पाठवले.
If you have any questions, anything, you can just share independently also, inbox us separately also. Me and Shrikant are over there. If you have any questions which you do not want to share on the public front, you can directly inbox us by seeking this. Welcome, Om Prakash ji. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, sir. Wonderful, Sriram ji. Welcome aboard. Thank you. Welcome, Dinesh Suryavanshi ji from Aurangabad. Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, healing is all about increasing your frequency. Healing takes you from where you are, जहाँ पे भी आप है, वहाँ से आपको ये आगे की तरफ बढ़ाता है. Your frequency starts to increase from your physical to mental to emotional to soul level. And here we are going to deal with a healing, which is from the heart and core of Lord Buddha himself. And Buddha means the enlightened being. So when the enlightened being's blessing starts coming in your life, a lot of positivity starts to happen. Your positivity means you actually align yourself towards the source. You align yourself to the thing. Yeah, absolutely. A lot of positivity you start getting. So there are various mental blockages, our egos, attachment, and also all these things gets transformed when you start getting aligned. Yes, Om Prakash ji, health issue. Okay, health problems. Yeah, we were going to take health issues. Health is the most important thing because we develop a lot of blockages and all, even various aspects of the life. And this is one of the fastest methods of healing. A lot of case studies are coming in our life, and we can see them. And a lot of people are getting benefited from this. Please keep on sharing your name and information as we wait for some more people, so that I can, if there is any question, anything, I can just before we begin on the 0 hour, we can just do a kind of informal discussion, so that when we take it forward, we can understand it better. Stay relaxed in this program as much as possible. This program, it is going to be in the future called as, this program mein aap aaye ho, is going to be called as Lama Phera evening. This is going to happen every week, every Sunday. You're going to experience a wonderful meditation process, and it is going to purify you. इस meditation से आपको काफी सारे information मिलेंगे. लामा फेरा क्या है, कहाँ से आया है. So today, welcome everyone. Welcome Vandana ji. Welcome Wilson.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yeah, thank you Vandana for joining. Welcome Venkata Dinesh. Welcome Sandeep Chabra ji.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. So Vidut ji is our Lama Phera master teacher and healer. He generally takes over the thing, but as he is traveling, so he may be joining us. He's off and on sometimes, so due to the connection cell, but he has sent a voice note. We are going to run that, and you're going to experience the very same thing what you experience in the live thing. Otherwise, I and Shrikant are there to answer all your questions, and in between, if he is over here, so even Vijay will connect with us. Vidutji will connect with us. He will also answer all the questions regarding Lama Phera, regarding healing and all. So I welcome you all in this program. So it is 3:01. I think better we should start. And let all the people join. Thank you, Rina, for joining. Thank you, Teju Kumar ji, for joining. Thank you, Rajesh ji, for joining. Shilpa for joining. Thank you all. Thank you, Kusum. Thank you, Kusum Lata ji, for joining from Delhi. Okay, so it is 3:01. Let us start the process, and I'll just do a kind of a quick sharing with you. If you have any questions in between, I really want you to absolutely remain relaxed. Whatever distractions you have got, जो भी distractions आपको मिल रहे, थोड़ा सा distractions को हटाइए, because इसमें हम एक voice speech चलाएंगे, एक meditation चलाएंगे अभी, जो voice speech चलाने के बाद, and I request you to mute yourself, अपने को mute कर दीजिएगा. We will also try to mute and see whoever is there. It's a very powerful meditation जो आपको अभी हम ये करेंगे. You will hear a very powerful meditation, and this meditation is going to make you understand what Lama Phera is all about. It may be a very experiential journey for all of you, so I really wanted to feel that thing, that process. So let me just quickly go do a kind of a screen share, so you will understand the philosophy of the source, and you will understand what we are dealing with and where exactly healing comes from, and then we will proceed to run this thing. So Shrikant ji, are you ready with the thing? Shrikant ji, if you are. Shrikant, are you there? Yeah, let me just do a screen sharing first, and so this is a program. We are here at the moment in the Lama Phera Healing Workshop. So today is, let me just change the date. We do it every, today we are here at 8 August 2008. So what is this Lama Phera Healing all about, and who we are? So I am Satya Datta. I am the founder of the Source Community, and we believe that the source is the source of everything. So there is a root creator in the universe. So एक जहां से सारी ब्रह्मांड की सृष्टि हुई है, हर चीज की सृष्टि हुई है, and source is the source of everything. मतलब source हर चीज का source है, स्रोत है. Source is the source of love, source is the source of forgiveness, source is the source of healing, and source is the source of money and finances, and source is the source of relationship. Now अगर हम healing की बात करते हैं, healing का मतलब है to surrender some higher powers. जो higher powers की frequency हमारे से ज्यादा है, उनकी उसके पास अपनी इंटेलिजेंस है, उसके पास अपनी नॉलेज है, जो कि हमारे शरीर के अंदर घुस के, हमारे मन के अंदर घुस के, हमारे बॉडी के अंदर घुस के हमारे अंदर एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ला सकता है. हीलिंग दो तरह से आती है. एक हीलिंग आती है डिफरेंट फ्रीक्वेंसीज ऑफ दिस अर्थ. आप अगर सोने चले जाते हैं, यू आर गोइंग फॉर स्लीप, एंड what happens जब आप बहुत टायर्ड है, आप सोने चले गए, और what happens सुबह मॉर्निंग में you feel very refreshed. Now why do you feel refreshed? The body is not sleeping. आपका हार्ट स्लीप नहीं करता, आपका हार्ट शायद उस वक्त ज्यादा एक्टिव करता है. आपकी लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, लंग्स, एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट्स टू वर्क एट दिस मोमेंट. नाउ व्हाई, क्यों काम करता है? क्योंकि क्या होती है, जो यूनिवर्सल लाइफ फोर्सेस है, यूनिवर्सल लाइफ एनर्जीज है, इट एंटर्स इन योर सिस्टम. It starts doing the cleansing operation. It brings yourself to alignment with the universe, and ब्रह्मांड के साथ alignment लाता है, और जो भी एक्स्ट्रा चीजें हैं वो रिमूव कर देता है आपके लाइफ से, and you feel recharged in the morning. You wake up early. So our heart doesn't stop. So everything, the universal life forces is working with your life. So that means there are various frequencies. Universal life force frequency, which is all around our, हमारे चारों ओर 24 घंटे चल रहे हैं. Then there are divine Reiki frequencies, intelligent Reiki frequencies. Reiki is an intelligent word. There are pranic frequencies which work inside our body, outside our body. उसके ऊपर आती है divine healing hand frequencies, and उसके ऊपर आती है down hand frequencies. Similarly, there is a frequency which we are going to talk about today. It's called as a Lama Phera frequency. Now what happens, जो enlightened being है दुनिया के अंदर, तो there are different soul layers, there are different soul standing. जैसे for example, there is a soul standing of the stones, there is a soul standing of plant, animal, human being. हम सबकी एक soul standing है. So there are higher being in the universe, like the soul of Buddha, soul of Amitabha, soul of Mother Kuan Yin. ये लोग higher souls हैं, invisible world, invisible realm में. इनके पास भी अपनी powers है, इनके पास भी अपनी healing energies है. इनकी soul is an enlightened soul. इनकी soul is a very very enlightened soul. is a very enlightened soul, and inki soul, actually soul has the power to it. The inki soul has the power to heal and transform our life. So today we are going to deal with this healing, which is from the heart of the compassionate higher being, which is from the heart of Buddha, and it is called as a Lama Phera healing. And Vidyut Jatia is a wonderful Lama Phera teacher and healer, and we are going to listen to his voice today, and you will just flow through according to the direction of the voice. जो voice आपको सुनाई देगा, आप just अपने आप को follow करोगे. I will give you a prior instruction to this. You will just listen to it and follow whatever he is guiding you. Slowly and steadily, he is going to guiding you. You will first relax yourself a lot, and then you will be guided further, and he will himself introduce to this voice note, and you will experience different realities you may experience. Just keep them with you. We may go and ask for feedback later on. So Vidyut Jatia is a wonderful Lama Phera teacher and healer, and he's also a pranic healer, and he is a holistic healer. That is why he understands different dimensions of human beings, and he provides counseling to people with the different kinds of challenges, relationship challenges and all. And he also takes online guided meditation. So so in this meditation, what Vidyut Jatia is going to guide you is to either sit in a very relaxed way. Either अगर आप चेयर में बैठे हुए हैं तो आप सिंपली चेयर में रिलैक्स कीजिएगा, और अपने दोनों हाथों को अपने लाइक थाई के ऊपर रखिएगा, वेरी रिलैक्स, शोल्डर एवरीथिंग ड्रूप डाउन, और अपने जो दोनों हाथ है ना, ये आप ऊपर की तरफ रखिएगा, एज इफ यू आर आस्किंग फॉर ब्लेसिंग from the Brahmand. You are asking for blessing from the higher being. You are asking blessing from Lord Buddha. और अगर आप सोना चाहते हैं, it's perfectly fine. Actually, you should relax because you may have taken lunch. You are feeling your body is little tired. This is all about giving you a lot of relaxation. आपके हो सकता है बॉडी के अंदर स्ट्रेस है और you have many problems. Just आप लेट जाइए, अपने पैरों को क्रॉस मत कीजिएगा, जस्ट दोनों पैरों को सीधा रखिए, हाथों को सामने साइड में ड्रॉप कीजिए बॉडी के साथ जोड़ के, बट ये दोनों जो पाम होंगे आपकी, ये दोनों पाम आप ऊपर की तरफ फेस, सीलिंग की तरफ फेस करके रखिएगा.
5 मिनट का ब्रेक कर लेंगे पहले सेशन.
सो आप अपना जो ये दोनों हैंड है, इसको ऊपर ब्रह्मांड की तरफ रखिएगा. Be aware of where exactly you are. What are your problems? आपकी problems क्या issues हैं? Now just seek a solution from the Brahmand universe. Let the universe as appropriately send the right information to you in your message center. ध्यान से सुनिएगा, थोड़ा इंग्लिश में हिंदी में दोनों चीजें हैं, but language कोई problem नहीं है. Just try to connect your soul to the language what he is speaking at the moment. ध्यान से सुनिए उसके अंदर क्या चीज है. पूरी लामा फेरा के बारे में वो बताएंगे. लामा फेरा क्या है, कहाँ से आया है, ब्रह्मांड से कैसे लामा फेरा आया है, बुद्ध को कैसे मिला हुआ है लामा फेरा. Then he will guide you further so that there is a kind of a experiential interaction of these energies with you, and so that these energies start to work. And in this meditation only he will guide you exactly what Lama Phera is. Lama Phera क्या है, लामा फेरा के सिंबल्स क्या है, लामा फेरा कैसे आप सीख सकते हो खुद, और कैसे लामा फेरा आप अपनी जिंदगी में ला सकते हो. So I will request now Shrikant ji, if he can listen to me, and if he can play. Shrikant ji, are you ready with the voice message? And I want all of you to relax. And please, I request all of you to relax yourself completely, go into relaxation, sit in relaxation, and keep your palm towards the heaven. Ask what you want from the heaven. You know very well what your problems are at the moment. And we are playing a voice note. You can close your eyes, take a deep breathing, and start relaxing. Close your eyes, धीरे धीरे करके breathe in and breathe out, and listen to this voice message. All of you to mute yourself, please. Kindly, my request is please mute yourself. The new people who are joining, we are unable to mute. जो भी नए join कर रहे हैं, please mute yourself.
Hello. I am thankful to the entire team of the Source Group for having taken this initiative to spread this unique healing technique, Lama Fera, far and wide for the betterment of society and humanity. I'm thankful to all of them, especially Satya Datta ji and Shrikant ji. I welcome you all on this Sunday afternoon, after having a good lunch, most probably, to this amazing session on Lama Fera. I will now quickly introduce myself again. My name is Vidyut Jatia. I am based in the city of Chennai, India. I am a Lama Fera healer and I provide distant Lama Fera healing, which is the fastest energy healing technique. I am also a Lama Fera master teacher and I teach how you can also become a Lama Fera healer. I am also a pranic healer and I give distant pranic healing. I am a counselor and I provide counseling to people who are stressed due to the heavy demands of this life. I host online guided meditation both in English and Hindi. I am also a relationship counselor and I counsel everyone, especially youngsters, whether to enter into a relationship, to continue one, or to even come out of one for the betterment and happiness of all concerned. We will start today's session with the very powerful and trance-generating Lama Fera meditation. It will not only tell you how Lama Fera came into existence, but also you will be transported, or rather teleported to another world. Such is the effect of this meditation. It will remove
Shrikant, just unmute yourself. Yeah, there's no voice. There's some technical. Yeah.
the
Thank you.
channeling words.
Shrikant, they said got muted again. Don't close your microphone, Shrikant, please. Requesting you.
Of few minutes can clear your deep-rooted blockages, clear the karma of your past lives and also of your current life. Then imagine what can the entire process of Lama Fera healing do. So please stay till the very end of this presentation as we review the multitude benefits of Lama Fera healing. And those who stay till the very end, those who give me their valuable time, we have a very special offer just for them. So even if you have attended any of my previous webinars and have come just for the meditation, don't leave us after the meditation is over. Remember, you are not here by chance. Lord Buddha wanted you to be here. Lord Buddha chose you, especially among lakhs and lakhs of people. It is just not a coincidence. There is a reason, a purpose, a much bigger purpose behind it. Lord Buddha wants to help you through me as a medium so that your life becomes the happiest possible. And as per some gurus, the time has come for Lama Fera to spread its wings far and wide. And Lord Buddha wants you all to join hands with me and the Source Group in spreading the Buddhist healing technique to every corner of the world. Let's create history together. Now, please settle down for the meditation. You should not be doing anything else now. You should either be sitting or lying down. Please don't do anything physical. Take precautions so that if you fall into a trance or a kind of sleep, you don't get hurt. If you are sitting, your feet should touch the ground and your two hands should be on your thighs, palms open facing the ceiling. And if you are lying down, you have to lie down on your back with your two hands on your sides and the legs straight, not crossed or kept on one top of the other. And the palms again should be open and facing the ceiling sky as if asking for the blessings. Now, close your eyes. Close your eyes. आंखें बंद कर लीजिए. Every day, you are playing so many roles. Mother, father, husband, wife, brother, sister, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, friend, owner of a shop or office, working for a corporate organization. Every day, every minute, you are doing something else as somebody else's angle of viewing. But what about you? What about you yourself? What about your soul journey? You should give some time to your own self, where you are just you and not anyone's relative or friend or owner. This is your time. This is me time. I am answerable for the journey of my soul. So I will give more time to myself today, now. All the burdens, all the problems, all the issues, just throw them out of your shoulders into the feet of Lord Buddha. अब लॉर्ड बुद्धा जो आपको इस दुनिया में भेजे हैं, अब उनकी जिम्मेदारी है, अब वो इन प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करेंगे. आप तो अपने आप को भगवान बुद्ध के चरणों में समर्पित कर दीजिए. क्लोज योर आईज. आपकी आंखें बंद होंगी. As I said before, surrender yourself completely to Lord Buddha. Breathe in through your nose to the count of 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold to the count of 3, 2, 3. Exhale from your mouth to the count of 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 3. Inhale through your nose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2, 3. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 3. Inhale. Keep on repeating the process. You are getting more and more relaxed. You are realizing that you are just the soul, not the body. You are going to spend this time to make yourself the most ideal person. You will just think about your soul journey. You are just you. I am just me. बंद आंखों से देखिए कि इट इज अ फुल मून नाइट. पूर्णिमा की रात है. द मून इज शाइनिंग ब्राइटली. चांद चमक रहा है. एब्सोल्युटली वाइट, एकदम सफेद. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नाइट. यह बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण रात है क्योंकि इट्स द मीटिंग ऑफ नेचर एंड मैनकाइंड. क्योंकि आज की रात प्रकृति और इंसान का मिलन होने वाला है. बाय द कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ दीज टू, इन दोनों के मिलने से एक तीसरी शक्ति, थर्ड पावर विल बी जनरेटेड which will remove the darkness, andhera, and ignorance, agyanta, from this universe. as it always happens, when we try to do something good, someone will come to interfere or spoil it. Similarly here, the devils, Rakshas of the entire universe, do not want the birth of this new power. So they have decided to attack mankind and nature. राक्षसगण आते हैं और निश्चय कर लेते हैं कि वे इस प्रकृति और इंसान के मिलन को नहीं होने देंगे और उन पर आक्रमण करने का निश्चय कर लेते हैं. The meeting and the merging of mankind and nature is going on in the meantime. The hours of the night are passing by. रात का प्रहर बीतता चला जा रहा है. इंसानियत और प्रकृति का मिलन हो रहा है. While the confluence is going on, all the devilish power, all the negative energy, all the darkness, and all the ignorance has come to attack mankind and nature. ये मिलन चालू है और सारे राक्षसगण, सारी की सारी नकारात्मक ऊर्जा, अंधकार, अज्ञानता आ गया है उन पर आक्रमण करने के लिए. By the friction of this merging of mankind and nature, इन दोनों के मिलन से one star which can fly in the air takes birth. इन दोनों के मिलन से एक चमकता हुआ सितारा जो कि हवा में उड़ सकता है जन्म लेता है. The star is bright, चमकदार and luminous, प्रकाशमान. It is more powerful than the sun. As soon as this star is born, it starts going all around the mankind and nature. यह चमकदार सितारा जैसे ही जन्म लेता है, वह इंसान और प्रकृति के चारों ओर घूमने लगता है. सर से पांव तक, पांव से सर तक, in an anti-clockwise direction. As it is going around mankind and nature, a very powerful boundary, एक बहुत ही मजबूत सीमा या कह सकते हैं लक्ष्मण रेखा जैसी लकीर चमकदार रोशनी की बनने लगती है. यह अभेद है, मजबूत है. This boundary is impenetrable and strong. No one can enter through it. No negativity can enter through it. No darkness can enter through it. इस बाउंड्री को, इस लकीर को कोई नकारात्मक शक्ति, कोई अंधेरा, कोई भी बुराई, कोई भी काली ताकतें नहीं घुस सकता है. फिर भी they are continuing attacking this star. There is a duel, द्वंद happening between both these sides. But this star is very, very powerful. द्वंद हो रहा है इन बुराई और अच्छाई में, परंतु अपना सितारा बहुत बहुत पावरफुल है. वो बढ़ने लगता है साइज में, बड़ा और बड़ा. देखिए बंद आंखों से कि the star is growing in size, bigger and bigger, and it is killing and destroying all the negative and dark forces. और वह खत्म कर रहा है, बर्बाद कर रहा है इन सारी बुरी ताकतों का. The night has passed by and it is dawn now. रात्रि के पहर बीत चुके हैं और अब सूर्योदय होने वाला है. Mankind and nature recall what all happened the previous night, and when they see this star in front of them, they bless it. जब इंसानियत और प्रकृति इस सितारे को देखते हैं तो वे उसे आशीर्वाद देते हैं कि since you gave us respect by going around us just after your birth, क्योंकि तुमने पैदा होते ही हमारे परिक्रमा या चक्कर लगाया, you will be henceforth known as फेरा. तो आज से तुम्हें फेरा बुलाया जाएगा. And within you the knowledge, ज्ञान, secret, रहस्य and truth, सच्चाई of this entire universe will be established. और तुम्हारे अंदर ये दुनिया के समस्त ब्रह्मांड का ज्ञान, रहस्य और सच्चाई तुम्हारे अंदर पैदा हो जाएगा, तुम्हारे अंदर जागृत हो जाएगा. Whenever anyone invokes you, जब भी कोई तुम्हारा आवाहन करता है, तुम्हें सच्चे दिल से याद करता है और बुलाता है, they will also get this nectar of knowledge. उन्हें भी इस ज्ञान के अमृत का लाभ मिलेगा. Then mankind and nature give instructions to the star to go to Mother Earth, where Siddharth Gautam is doing penance. फिर इंसानियत और प्रकृति इस सितारे को आदेश देते हैं कि तुम धरती माँ में चले जाओ और जहां सिद्धार्थ गौतम तपस्या कर रहे हैं वहां पहुंच जाओ. They advise it to meet Siddharth Gautam and pass on this nectar to him. वे उससे कहते हैं कि तुम सिद्धार्थ गौतम से फिर मिलो और इस अमृत को उन्हें दे दो. From that time onwards, he will use it to spread wisdom and light in the world. जब उन्हें यह अमृत मिल जाएगा, फिर वे इस ज्ञान को, इस रोशनी को पूरे संसार में फैलाने का दायित्व उठा लेंगे. The Fera comes down to Mother Earth and goes to the spot where Siddharth Gautam is in deep penance. फेरा धरती पे आ जाता है और उस जगह पहुंचता है जहां सिद्धार्थ गौतम तपस्या कर रहे हैं. फेरा उन्हें पूरी कहानी बताता है. फेरा explains him the entire story. Now Siddharth Gautam starts writing everything. सिद्धार्थ गौतम अब पूरी सच्चाई को लिखना शुरू करते हैं. वे लिखते चले जाते हैं, परंतु यह सार्वभौमिक सत्य, रहस्य और ज्ञान इस पूरे अर्थ पे, इस पूरी धरती पे फिट नहीं होता है, क्योंकि पूरी धरती छोटी पड़ जाती है. He keeps on writing this entire universal truth, secret and knowledge, but the size of the earth is not enough to complete this writing. All the oceans, all the land, all the planets, the entire universe does not have enough space to complete writing the entire truth. सारे समुद्र, जमीन, ग्रह मंडल, पूरा का पूरा ब्रह्मांड में इतनी जगह नहीं है जो गौतम बुद्ध पूरा का पूरा लिख सके. तो वे एक तरकीब सोचते हैं कि इस पूरे सच्चाई, ज्ञान और रहस्य को सांकेतिक रूप से दिखाएंगे. And he thinks of a plan, of a solution, that this entire truth, knowledge, and secret of the universe be represented by symbols. And he draws these symbols on a stone which turns into gold. Gautam Buddha, Siddharth Gautam, इन ज्ञान को, सच्चाई को, रहस्य को सांकेतिक रूप से दिखाते हैं और इस सिंबल्स को, प्रतीक को एक पत्थर पे बना देते हैं. यह पत्थर सोने की बन जाती है. The stone turns into gold and shines brightly. Seeing this, the mankind and nature also come down to earth. ऊपर से इंसानियत और प्रकृति भी इसे देख रहे थे और वे फिर नीचे आ जाते हैं. And they bless Siddharth that since he has become enlightened, और वे सिद्धार्थ गौतम को आशीर्वाद देते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें इस ब्रह्मांड का सत्य, ज्ञान और रहस्य का पता चल गया है. And since he has become enlightened with this universal knowledge, secret and truth, he will henceforth be known as Buddha, the enlightened one, the awakened one. क्योंकि उन्हें इस ब्रह्मांड के सत्य, ज्ञान और रहस्य का पता चल गया है, उन्हें आज से बुद्ध के नाम से जाना जाएगा. And whenever anyone invokes Buddha and Fera, they will also be blessed with this knowledge and truth. और कोई भी आवाहन करेगा बुद्ध और फेरा का, तो उन्हें भी सच्चाई और ज्ञान का आशीर्वाद मिलेगा। बुद्धा then passes on this knowledge to his disciples. बुद्ध भगवान इस ज्ञान को अपने शिष्यों में बांट देते हैं। Then Buddha and his disciples start helping mankind. बुद्ध भगवान और उनके शिष्य मानवता का भला करने लगते हैं और जिन्हें वो मोक्ष दे सकते हैं उन्हें मोक्ष भी देते हैं, giving salvation to the deserving ones. Slowly, the disciples were being called as lamas, and this is how Lama Phera came into existence. धीरे धीरे इन शिष्यों को लामा कहलाने लगे और इसी तरह लामा फेरा अस्तित्व में आया। Whoever learns Lama Phera, his or her deep-rooted blockages will get dissolved and a new, happier, peaceful and more successful life will begin. जो भी यह लामा फेरा सीखेगा, ध्यान से सुनिए, जो भी यह लामा फेरा सीखेगा उसके जीवन की गहरी रुकावटें और मुश्किलें गायब हो जाएंगी और एक नया जीवन, एक खुशी भरा जीवन, एक शांतिपूर्ण जीवन और एक बहुत ही सफल जीवन शुरू हो जाएगा। Now it is our turn to invoke Buddha and Phera. अब वक्त आ गया है कि हम सच्चे दिल से, सच्चे मन से बुद्ध भगवान और फेरा का आवाहन करें। आपकी आंखें बंद हैं। Look at yourself with your inner eyes. अपने आप को बंद आंखों से देखिए। देखिए कि आप सो रहे हैं। You are sleeping. फेरा is standing next to your feet. फेरा आपके पांव के पास खड़ा है। And do you know who is standing near your head? और क्या आपको एहसास भी है कि आपके सर के पास कौन खड़ा है? बुद्ध भगवान, साक्षात बुद्धा himself. There is a powerful light and energy emanating from Buddha's hands. बुद्ध भगवान के हाथों से एक बहुत ही मजबूत रोशनी और ऊर्जा बाहर निकल रही है। This light is touching your crown chakra, third eye chakra, and Buddha is advising you that the truth, secret and knowledge of the entire universe, which you already knew, but due to your ignorance, you have forgotten it. I am re-establishing it in your heart. यह रोशनी, यह चमकदार रोशनी आपके सहस्रार चक्र को और फिर तीसरी आंख को छूता है और बुद्ध भगवान यह कहते हैं कि इस ब्रह्मांड के सत्य, ज्ञान और राज को जो तुम्हारे अंदर है बट तुमने अज्ञानतावश उसे भूल चुका है, मैं वापस से स्थापित करूंगा तुम्हारे हृदय में, तुम्हारे हार्ट चक्रा में। Come with me. And then Buddha starts going around your body. बुद्ध भगवान कहते हैं आओ मेरे साथ, और वे हमारे शरीर के चारों ओर घूमने लगते हैं in an anti-clockwise direction. राइट साइड से स्टार्ट करते हुए राइट साइड के शरीर को क्रॉस करते हैं। शोल्डर, कंधा, हैंड, हाथ, चेस्ट, छाती, स्टमक, पेट, नी, घुटना, लेग, टांग, राइट फुट, पांव, फिर घूम जाते हैं लेफ्ट फुट, नी, लेग एंड सो ऑन गोइंग अपवर्ड्स, वापस ऊपर की तरफ जाते हुए टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ योर हेड, आपके सर के बाईं ओर, एंड फिर आपके सर के ऊपर। द फर्स्ट राउंड और फेरा इज ओवर। दिस इज फॉर योर पास्ट लाइफ। पहला फेरा खत्म होता है। ये आपके पिछले जन्मों के पापों को, कर्मा को धोने के लिए था। Whatever wrong deeds were done by you in your past birth, this फेरा will help to clear those negative karma. दूसरा फेरा again anti-clockwise, और यह शांत करेगा, यह धोएगा आपके इस जीवन के मुश्किलों को, पापों को। Second फेरा same anti-clockwise, and this will heal your present life. See Buddha going around your body. And he has reached your head again. बुद्ध भगवान आपके शरीर के चारों ओर जा रहे हैं और वापस से पहुंच चुके हैं आपके सर के पास। Now he will take the last half round from your head right downwards till he reaches your feet. बुद्ध भगवान वापस से एक आधा फेरा लगाएंगे आपके सर से लेके आपके पांव तक, आपके दाहिनी ओर. This is for the truth, secret and knowledge. At the bottom of your feet is the star called Fera. आपके चरणों के पास वह सितारा है फेरा. Buddha lifts the Fera in his hands. बुद्ध भगवान उस फेरा को अपने हाथों में लेते हैं. See brilliant and scintillating light. एक अद्भुत और चमकदार रोशनी को देखिए भगवान बुद्ध के हाथों में. He is taking it between your legs. वो आपके टांगों के बीच से मूलाधार चक्र के होते हुए स्वादिष्ठान चक्र, फिर मणिपुरा चक्र चीरते हुए, होते हुए, पार करते हुए he establishes Fera in your heart chakra. वह इस फेरा को आपके अनाहत चक्र में स्थापित करते हैं. He is taking this Fera between both your legs to your root chakra and then through sacral chakra, solar plexus, piercing them. He establishes Fera in your heart chakra, inside your heart. You are feeling as if thousands of candles and diyas are lighted up. क्या अद्भुत महसूस हो रहा है आपको, जैसे हजारों दिए चमकने लगे हैं, मोमबत्तियां चमकने लगी है. महसूस करिए इस ऊर्जा को, इस शक्ति को महसूस करिए. फील इट, फील इट, फील दैट वाइब्रेशन, फील दैट पावर. See that you have also become a part of our Lama Fera movement to spread it to every corner of the world. देखिए कि आप हमारे इस्लामा फेरा मूवमेंट के हिस्सा बन चुके हैं. My mission is to have at least one Lama Fera healer in every household. मेरा यह मिशन है कि कम से कम हर घर में एक, कम से कम एक लामा फेरा हीलर तो जरूर होए. And देखिए, please see that you have joined us in this mission. You are doing a great deed by spreading Lama Fera far and wide. देखिए, आप हमसे जुड़ के बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं इस लामा फेरा को दूर दूर तक फैलाने के लिए. Now, thank the Fera energy. Buddha, mankind and nature are now blessing you that whenever with a genuine heart and honesty for a noble deed, you will remember them. And also, when you want to do your own healing or someone else's healing, then Lord Buddha and Fera will definitely come to help you. अब आप इस फेरा की शक्ति को धन्यवाद दीजिए. बुद्ध भगवान, इंसानियत और प्रकृति अब आपको आशीर्वाद दे रहे हैं कि जब भी आप सच्चे दिल से, सच्चे मन से, हृदय से अच्छे काम के लिए उन्हें याद करेंगे, और जब भी आप अपनी खुद की हीलिंग या किसी और की हीलिंग करना चाहेंगे, तब लॉर्ड बुद्ध भगवान और फेरा जरूर आएंगे आपको सहायता देने के लिए. और फिर आप आशीर्वाद से भर जाएंगे. धन, दौलत, नाम, शौहरत, स्वास्थ्य, मन की शांति, सब कुछ रहेगा आपके पास. You will be blessed with happiness, wealth, prosperity, good health, peace of mind, name and fame. Deep gratitude to the universe and to the universal energy. इस ब्रह्मांड को और इस ब्रह्मांड की ऊर्जा को हमारा कृतज्ञ भरा नमस्कार, कृतज्ञता और आभार. रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स. शांत रहिए. इस माहौल को महसूस करिए. आप इसमें जितनी देर रहना चाहते हैं आप रह सकते हैं. महसूस करिए, एंजॉय करिए. यह आपका वक्त है, सिर्फ आपका वक्त है. दिस इज योर मी टाइम. जब भी मन करे तब आप धीरे से उठ जाइएगा, दोनों हाथों को रगड़ के अपने आंखों पे रखिएगा और उस गर्माहट, उस ऊर्जा को महसूस करिएगा. Then when you want to get up, rub your hands together and place them on your eyes. Feel the warmth, feel the energy. Then slowly open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आंखें खोलिए. You may continue lying down or if you want, you can slowly get up and drink a glass of water. या तो आप बैठे रह सकते हैं या लेटे रह सकते हैं, या दिल करे अगर आप तैयार हैं तो धीरे से उठिए, और अगर पानी का ग्लास पास में हो तो जरूर पानी पीजिए. शुक्रिया. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. Buddha blessings to you, Buddha blessings to me, and Buddha blessings to everyone. So now let's discuss what is Lama Pera healing, how to do it, and how it can help us in our day-to-day life. Basically, Lama Pera is a Buddhist healing technique created by Lord Buddha himself, which has been used since centuries. It is that powerful healing modality in which 45 symbols of Shalvik Mantra Rahasya are created with the vibrations of 4.5 lakh mantras, and which are then converted into 12 special symbols which are used by the healer. 6 symbols are taught at the healer level and remaining 6 at the master teacher level. It is said to be the fastest energy-based healing modality available on the planet today. No wonder each healing session lasts for just 20 minutes. Why is it considered the fastest and the most powerful healing technique? Because it involves calling upon Lord Buddha himself to come to heal the situation. His healing energy then flows through the healer to the person needing healing in Lama Pera. The 12 symbols have abundant power to treat the highest level of negative energies. Basically, Lama Pera is the union of two words. Both the words have their own identity and importance. Lama Pera follower who follows the philosophy of Buddha, making it part of his life for the core of his heart. It is a highly effective Buddhist healing technique of Tibetan Lamas, especially used in eliminating dark forces and the negative energies from human bodies and houses, and even protecting you from enemies. It is also even used for the regular and normal healing. And what does Fera means? We have already seen that it means going around. A healing session features a ritual. The healer does not need to touch the body. It's a no-touch therapy, and hence distant healings are easily possible to be given. It involves the use of symbols. The healer helps to transfer Lord Buddha's energy to the patient to heal a particular illness or disease, or for that matter, any other problem of life. It may also be used for people, by the people who are not Buddhists and belong to any other communities. But the only requirement is that they should have respect and faith on Lord Buddha, and that they feel blessed to receive healing from him. Remember, it is a spiritual process and not a religious one. Now let's see some more benefits of Lama Pera quickly. It frees you from stress and depression. You may be caught up in the pressures of this life. They may be troubling you. Lama Pera can remove these negative thoughts and release you from these pressures. You will become calmer and better equipped to face life's challenges. It helps to clear issues in health, wealth, property, business, career, finance, relationship, and others. You may be suffering from diabetes, blood pressure, thyroid, back pain, or pain in any part of the body, allergies, or even chronic diseases. By doing Lama Pera healing, you can get relief from all these. Please listen to this carefully. Experts regard Lama Pera healing therapy as the best one for patients who are at the last stage of their disease and there is no other hope left. But listen to me, please, carefully. Please remember that you have to continue with the regular medical treatment as advised by the doctors and specialists. Lama Fera healing can be done only as a complementary or supplementary option. You may be having some karmic debts or ancestral karma, which is not letting you flourish in life. In spite of all your best efforts, the results are just not coming. Lama Fera will help you to come out of these serious karmic issues. You may be troubled by bad and scary dreams. You may be having unknown fears and phobias. It's just spoiling your life's peace and happiness. Lama Fera is the best option to get full relief from all these serious issues. Lama Fera reduces the adverse effects of black magic, tantra, mantra, psychic attacks, curses, jealousy. Is it not amazing? It may seem unbelievable, but it's the truth. You may be having relationship issues. Lama Fera removes the negative energy surrounding you so that your relationship starts flourishing again. Lama Fera also helps you to come out of negative thoughts, habit of doing tension the whole day, getting disturbed by the smallest of issues, getting hyper or irritated very easily. You unfortunately may be having financial issues. You earn, but you cannot save a penny, or you are not in a satisfactory job, or maybe you are searching for a new job or work. Lama Fera can make you financially secure. It can make you wealthy and prosperous. You may have been advised to get your Vastu rectified, and you cannot or do not want to get any major repairs or alterations done, as it is not always easy to break and redo portions of a place which you are currently using or staying. Lama Fera rectifies Vastu defects without breaking a brick. In short, as long as we are alive, Lama Fera can cure all our problems, issues, and diseases so that we can lead more fulfilling and happier lives. So now, can anyone afford to say no to learning this amazing healing technique? Now let's discuss what all you will learn in the Lama Fera Healer Level Workshop, that is Level 1. Please listen to it carefully. This has the potential to change your life and the lives of those around you. We will teach you the 6 symbols in detail. We will give detailed explanation about each symbol, the benefits of each, and the correct system to draw them. The symbols are the most important part of this healing technique. Each symbol helps in resolving some issue. And when all the 6 symbols are used in a specified sequence, which we will teach you, and healing is given, then we can solve all our mental, physical, financial, emotional, spiritual, psychological, karmic, and relationship-based issues. We will teach you how to take Dhai Fera and how to start the healing process. You will learn how to do one-to-one personal healing, self-healing, and self-protection method, distance healing, and healing from a photo. Remember, Lama Fera is a no-touch therapy. You will also learn the method of black magic removal, negativity, and entity removal process. The workshop is for 21 days, followed by a Siddhikaran and Shuddhikaran process, which will strengthen and enhance your healing powers. You will finally become Buddha's representative to spread his Lama Fera technique everywhere. We will give detailed explanation about the Lama Fera healing kit. There will be one distant attunement after the main workshop is over. A certificate, a soft copy of the certificate after completion of the workshop will also be given. After learning this, You will feel balance in your life also for personal growth. Spiritual alignment will be done easily. You will be able to do Buddha's work, which will reward you in return multiple times over. You will see instant difference in your energy field and hence in your life and all your life activities. Your existence will then become more meaningful and really beneficial for more and more people. Then, after the healer level, you can upgrade to the advanced master teacher level. After doing the advanced level, you can then teach others how to become a Lama Phera healer also. But now, for this moment, let's concentrate on starting the journey and becoming a Lama Phera healer. There are various payment options. And as I said before, there is a special offer for all those who have waited so long, given me the most precious thing of life, their time. Satyaji or Shrikantji will give the offer rate in detail. And before we go on to the question answer session, as I told before, my mission is to have at least one Lama Phera healer in every household. So please join me, join hands with us and spread Lama Phera as far and wide as possible. And maybe we will create history on the way. Buddha blessings to you and your family and friends. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vidyutji's voice message, and I think it was really amazing. So I really request one or two people from this group, please unmute yourself. How was your experience with the meditation? If you can share, and rest of the people can keep on sharing in the chat box, so that we understand how you felt about the whole thing, whole process, especially the meditation one. Any one of you, if you can just unmute yourself, and if you wanted to speak, go ahead and speak, because sharing is care. What have you felt for the workshop? How have you felt with this? Yeah, you can raise hand, you can introduce yourself, and you can speak. Yeah, Pinaji, you want to speak something?
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Before sharing the feedback, I would like to express my gratitude to you as well as to Lohia ji for this session. May I know from which foundation this was provided?
This was from Source Commune. We have a community called as Source. So
okay.
From there, and with Vibrant Energy, which is Vidyutji's community. So two communities came together to organize this program.
Okay. Immense gratitude, Satyaji. I felt I really needed this, and I really needed, in the sense, a bit unwell from health perspective. And this is the second session that I attended today that gave me immense bliss. I really went into trance, and I'm feeling more relaxed, and gratitude to Shrikantji, well conducted as such.
Thank you so much, Binaji. Thank you, Shrikantji, for his wonderful initiative.
I'm sorry, I'm a bit low on energy, but
no issue. Your purification is happening at the moment, ma'am, and so Buddha blessings are already going inside you. So get well soon, and Buddha blessings to you. Buddha will do the rest. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing this information.
Please do add me to your groups, or where Binaji, I can get more idea.
Yeah, request you to just share your name and email in the chat. We will just add you in the group. Definitely. Thank you so much.
Sure, I'm doing that.
Yeah, thank you so much. So one or two more feedbacks, please, sir, if possible. Any other question you wanted to ask, please go ahead. We are lucky here that Vidyut Jatia ji is at the moment available with us to answer also, because we have got his connection. He's here from Kodaikanal. So if you are ready to talk to him, he is ready to answer your questions. We are very lucky.
Sir, is it the same as Reiki? Usoi Reiki.
Vidyut ji, would you like to answer? Is it same as Reiki? So
Yeah. Hello, everybody. I am extremely sorry. There was some prior commitments where I had to travel out of Chennai. And I'm really grateful for all of you to be there till the very end. All pranic healing, Reiki, Lama Fera are all healing modalities. Each has its own speciality. But as I have come to know through various websites and Google searches, Lama Fera is considered the fastest energy healing technique. And the symbols which we teach you are very, very simple. Even an uneducated young person can also learn these symbols and use them. I am getting amazing results with Lama Fera in my own life, and the people whom I am healing, the effects are tremendous. In case anyone who is getting healing done from me, please note that the healings are still continuing even from Kodaikanal at the given time to you all, because life is on, healing has to be on. Only thing is I couldn't be personally present full time for this webinar. So please get into Lama Fera and see Buddha do magic in your life.
yes, Sakshi ji, you raised your hands. Please go ahead and.
Sir, can I know how is it different from Reiki? Because everything is there in Reiki as well. As you mentioned, pranic healing and distance healing and all this. Like, is it because the only difference I see is Buddha is doing the healing?
Ma'am, I don't like to compare any healing modalities, but as you correctly said, here I am not the healer. Lord Buddha comes himself personally through me as the medium to heal. And there is a sequence of events, a sequence of symbols which we have to draw. And each healing does not take more than 20 minutes. Even if I want, I cannot do it because the procedure gets over within 20 minutes. So unless you experience, you will never know this. And please, I don't want to compare because all healing modalities are good. But Lama Fera is giving me the best results for myself and the people whom I'm healing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sudarshan ji,
Thank you.
you raised your hands.
No, it was mistakenly.
Okay. Any other questions? Any other query? We are open for question answers. So please go ahead and speak.
Satyaji, I request for a recording of this session. It can be shared.
Yes, we will try it, ma'am, because it takes some time because of the Zoom converts it into this film, and then it is taken into YouTube for downloading. Some time will be taken. Probably you share your number, and you have already shared your number. Srikanji will be sharing it in the group. So whoever wants to hear and see this, he or she will able to experience it again, definitely. Yes,
Hello?
Harsha. Yes, Harsha, ma'am. Please tell me.
What is the right time to do this? Like at the time when we are sleeping, or is it like in the morning time? Like what is the right time to do this, where we can at the very positive moment where we can have maximum of positive energy within us, and positive energy in the sense of more of blissful and spiritual energy.
See, there are two aspects to this. Vidyaji, please, I would like to answer first, and then I'm getting a flow, that is why I will answer this. Whenever you are doing, Shakshiji, for example, talked about Reiki, pranic healing, and Dao hands. There are so many healing energies. Healing is when you require the healing. Sometimes there is an emergency time. For example, Bina ji is not at the moment in health. you can immediately offer the healing to the person, because healing is coming from Lord Buddha or any other levels of energy. For example, Reiki is a pranic. Reiki is a frequency layer. It is a universal life force energy from where the energy consciousness is coming. Lama Fera is coming from the Buddha consciousness, enlightenment being. So if there is a person or a situation where he or she is requiring that energy at the moment for an immediate alignment, at that moment things can be given. Second is the best time when you are fully in a state of sensitivity, where you are able to feel and experience. You are very calm and relaxed. You are not very stressed. And then at the time, to get more experience of that same, you can offer healing blessings to yourself. The third thing is, always when you are practicing something, do it at a particular moment. Suppose you are choosing 9 o'clock in the 9 a.m. or say 7 a.m. in the morning or 5 a.m. Just keep doing that thing again and again and again and again, so that number one, there is a time intervention in that, and there is a space in which you are doing that gets activated, and your body clock starts to getting activated along with the healing. So there is no as such for the healing methods generally, but more information will be shared by Vidyut Jatia ji on Lama Fera healing. Vidyut ji, please, over to you.
Sir, you have covered everything quite beautifully. But yes, Lama Fera meditation can be done whenever you can devote yourself 20 to 30 minutes without thinking of what next you have to do during the day. And when you are relaxed, and in case you get into a trance, you can afford to do that without any hamper to your work. So any time is good time. As long as we breathe, this meditation will help. You can select, you can do 2 times a day, 3 times a day. जब भी आपको पसंद आए, जब भी आपका दिल करे, but mentally free होके, और अगर आप नींद में चले जाएं या ट्रांस में चले जाएं, आपके किसी काम को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचे, बस वो ध्यान दे दीजिएगा.
Absolutely wonderful, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Any other person?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ji.
Any other question? Please go ahead. Please.
Can we have your numbers as well as the group name?
Ma'am, my numbers is coming in Shrikant is sharing the numbers. Satya, Vidyutji, and Shrikant, 3 numbers are being shared. Please copy paste the number in your computer or in your mobile, so
Okay.
that you can, like, whenever you require us, you can get back to us for any questions, anything which you want.
Okay. And what is the group foundation name you said?
This is Source. We are Source.
Okay.
We are in Instamozo. The links will be shared just now, very soon. So all our programs over there, Vidyutji's programs are all over there. You can just click on the particular program, and you can see all details about the same, whatever you wanted to share. We are launching our websites, but we believe in keeping things very simple, so that the heart-to-heart communication takes place. So that is more. Our group is Source. We have a Source commune group. So we are coming out with a website. You will get a lot of information from there very soon. And Binaji. But our numbers are over there, so you can go ahead and keep them as a copied in your system, so that you can refer to us whenever you require any kind of a questions or any problem and any issues you think that we will able to solve on that. We will be more than willing to happy to serve you.
Satya ji, Shrikant ji, and myself are always just a phone call away. हम हमेशा आप लोग के लिए हैं, बस फोन उठाने की देरी है. Only this time I'll be back to Chennai on Tuesday night. From Wednesday, I'm at your service. Satya ji and Shrikant ji are already in their own cities, so they can take the calls. And Satya ji, please वो offer बता दीजिए ना workshop का.
Yes. So the workshop is starting on 13th of August, and the original price, Shrikant ji, just share it on this on the chat box. The original workshop energy exchange is 4,999, but since you are here in this workshop, in this webinar, so it is being offered in a discounted price from Vidyutji. It is 3,999 is the offer price. So any of you who are interested in this program, you can click on the link. Deepaji, the link has come, Instamozo link. So you can click on the link, go ahead and understand more about this. And you can pay do the energy exchange using your Paytm, Google Pay, or a Phone Pay. You can pay, and you can use even Instamozo link to pay using whatever payment method suits you. And if you're using Paytm or your wallet or your Google Pay, please send us your screenshot to any of us, any of our 3 numbers. It is there. So just send us your screenshot so that we can enroll you for this program. And it is really, really a wonderful program, an amazing program. You will learn about the 6 symbols to transform every aspect of your life. So please copy paste number, click on the link, go ahead and pay this, pay the thing if you're interested in doing this Lama Fera program. So Shrikantji, I request you to 3-4 times paste, because so that people can at least go there and see the offer basically.
Everybody, we are not trying to sell our workshop. The time has come for Lama Fera to reach far and wide. Please join hands with us and see miracles happening first in your lives. And when you will start making difference to others' lives, the blessings which you will get, I cannot put it in words. So it's just not selling a workshop. It's changing the whole way we live. And maybe, as I said in the webinar, we can create history together, and you all will be the pioneers. You will be the first people involved in this year to start spreading Lama Fera to every corner of the world.
Yes, Sakshi, you raised your hand. Please go ahead.
Sir, can you please share some of your experiences in this journey of Lama Fera?
Surely, that would be my pleasure.
Yes.
First of all, I will not take the names due to privacy issues. But first, I will give an example of people who have taken this as a workshop. And as they are learning the dealer level workshop, on the 6th or 7th day, when we start sharing these symbols and they start practicing at home, things already start changing for them. For example, there is a ma'am who was drawing the symbol on the whiteboard, and her teenage son was sitting there with a severe migraine. And after 1 hour, he just went to his mom and said that, I don't believe this, but still my headache and migraine has disappeared. There is another youngster who around the same time, 6th or 7th day of the workshop, he was not getting any job offers last 1.5 years. He realized that one letter is going to come to him soon, the appointment letter. He was having issues with his girlfriend, and that miraculously on the 6th or 7th day, she called back after many days. Regarding healing, all credit goes to Lord Buddha, but there is a lady who is getting healing done for her husband. He had cancer in the pancreas, and it was spreading to the upper parts of the body. We have just started the healing. It is the 6th day today, I think. And the cancer in the pancreas has disappeared. But yes, it is not cured. It has spread to the lung area, and I am now working on clearing the cancer from the lungs. So Buddha can do anything, and I have great faith on Lama Fera. There are many such examples which we can send you as a testimonials. Things are just, my life has changed. I was in a complete financial mess 5 years back, and now I am, thanks to Buddha, much better placed in life today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, Dinesh ji, you have raised your hand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask, do you all conduct offline courses?
No, sir, not yet.
Okay, sir.
See, since we are dealing with universal energy, it will not make honestly any difference whether we teach you face to face or through the online method, WhatsApp method, because the whole procedure will be shared with you in very, very small and clearly explained videos. So absolutely there is no difference. For example, I am doing healing of people and none of them live in Chennai. They are spread all across the country, and there are 2 people whom I'm healing who are staying in abroad. The
Oh.
universal energy will work everywhere. There is no need to be one-to-one present.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ji.
Sir, there is one question from me. I would like
Please.
to ask, Reiki start working after 21 days. When how long it take to work on
Sir, as I said, see,
illness?
yes, sir. See, As I said, we have examples of people while they have started learning itself and practicing symbols, things have started changing in their lives. People whom I'm giving healing, all the people may not be getting immediate benefits, but they are getting benefits, some early, some little delayed. So we do not know how it will work for a particular person because we can't change destinies, but we can definitely make the procedure faster and happier to solve all your issues.
I would like to just comment on Sudarshan ji's thing, what he has
Yes, thank you, sir.
talked about Reiki. I think it depends on which area the problem is. If it is a physical problem and the manifestation is not in the deeper layers of deeper layers of aspects. So 21 days in Reiki, you need to practice, but Reiki can work on the very same moment when you start offering Reiki to that area. So it depends on how deep the energies are. Sometimes it can take even more time in Reiki to heal when it is taking things out from the soul level. Because I am also blessed to be a Reiki grandmaster myself. I have been awarded twice from the United States for my paper in cancer. So what I know is that Reiki can work even immediately. You don't need to. Similarly is Lama Phera. So it depends on where exactly is the existence of the diseases, whether it is in your physical, mental, emotional, or it is manifesting from some other relationship issues. So when you're offering a healing on a particular issue, so Reiki decides, or Lama Phera energies decide from where the energy is going to come and do the healing. So it is not necessarily 21 days. It can happen immediate, or it can take a little bit more time. That is also possible. But yes, Lama Phera, as Sir is saying, so there is a manifestation which is happening much more faster. The cases which we are seeing, the testimonials which are coming, the results are pretty awesome and excellent in terms of the what people are experiencing at the moment. Dinesh, you want to speak anything else further, sir? You have raised your hand.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. It was previously. Thank you, sir.
Any other queries, please? Any other person? This is wonderful. Actually, if we can solve as many questions as possible, because we are about to be like another 10 more minutes and we're going to be over with this. So please go ahead and ask your questions. Sir is here and we can answer it. Otherwise, you guys can, if you're feeling like, please go ahead. I will request, I can humbly request you, lest Buddha and you will decide how to proceed in your Lama Phera journey. I can click in the Instamozo link. You can go and make the payment energy exchange if your heart and soul is willing to, or you can do the energy exchange using the Paytm. The numbers are given over there: Paytm, Google Pay, and the Phone Pay. Yes, Sriramji, tell me. You have raised hand. Please unmute yourself. Yeah, a bit louder, please, sir. Your voice is not audible.
Is this program wholly online?
Yeah, this
Yes.
Yes. Sir, please.
And yeah. Are these live sessions or recorded sessions? Just wanted to know that.
Vidyutji.
Yeah, the whole program is through WhatsApp, through recorded. 90% there are video links, short video links explaining everything step by step. And every week, one day, we can have a live session as per the convenience of everyone to clarify doubts. But to tell you honestly, 13th August, I'm starting my 7th batch. All the 6 batches till now, nobody has asked for any clarification or doubt. So I have not had a single live session for that. But we are always there for the doubts. And if required, definitely once a week, we go live to clarify the doubts.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sriramji, for asking these questions.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you.
Sir,
Yes, Harshaji.
my doubt is regarding like I believe in metals, like mostly some metals really we feel closer to a positive energy. So what is it that Buddha is most connected to, that how we can like definitely we can always have a feeling being near us, but is there something that we can make it into something visible and make it more connected, some metal or maybe something Buddha is most fond of?
Ma'am, honestly, I just believe in his energy. Morning when I get up, I surrender the whole day to Lord Buddha. And believe me, when I get stuck in certain things, somehow or the other, the answer comes to me. Either if I'm watching something on TV, indirectly it gives me the answer, or some thought comes in my mind, or two people are talking and somehow they have the answer for my question or problem. So the only visible thing is you just one day, today, from now till tomorrow morning, surrender your remaining part of today to him, and you will see him almost live. There are no physical things in this world which can explain you, but you will definitely feel it within you.
And one more thing I wanted to add is dharma. So we are here talking about Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami, and Dharmam Sharanam Gacchami. So Buddha is the enlightened being, Sangha is the Sangha of the even the enlightened beings and all the processes, and Dharmam Sharanam Gacchami. If you're towards the path of Dharma, ma'am, I think you are closer to Buddha. So it can penetrate all the metals and everything. The consciousness of the Dharma is beyond comprehension, and the blessing is beyond comprehension.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Any other person, any other question? So I would humbly request you, if you have any other question, just Srikanji, just share our numbers once more in the chat box. So you can just keep the numbers ready. If you any time in the further proceedings of the day, or what happens is many times people call us 2-3 days after also. So we will be in touch with you. We will be sharing some information to you in the groups which you are joining. So please don't feel offended. And because it is for your benefit, as Vidyutji is saying, it is a kind of a mission. It is a Buddha mission to really for the transformation, because Mother Earth is passing through purification. A lot of things we are experiencing at the moment, like pandemics are coming, there's tsunami, there is economic downturn. So at the moment, we need to be very, very aware. The knock is already at the door. So the higher beings know what is happening in the world. So either we align or we go the other way. So it is time that we all become aligned at the moment with the higher energies of the universe. And this is one of the methods. If there is a true soul calling inside you, if there is a calling which is coming from your heart. Thank you, Sriramji, for sharing this. Just keep the numbers, keep this informations in yourself. Go to the Instamozo site, look at all the programs which we have from Lama Fera to the others. Have a look at it. If you're feeling, if Buddha is guiding you, talk to Lord Buddha. Talk to the soul of Lord Buddha, talk to the soul of Lord Fera, and connect with this soul. Talk to your own problem, your issue. Seek the understanding from there, whether they are asking you for the connection of Lama Fera, and then take a decision. So Buddha will show you the way. Buddha will give you the money, because money is, yes, financial issues are there, but who will give us the finances? Buddha himself will give us the finances for the benefit of ourselves, for the benefit of the whole world. That's my prayer to all of you. I really wish Buddha bless you beyond comprehension. I really thank Vidyutji for giving his time out of so much prior commitment which he had. And I thank the soul of everybody here who is present. I thank Srikanji very, very much. I thank Sachinji. There's another person, another team member of us who has really played a wonderful role in connecting with a lot of people. So for the good. So I thank Srikant, I thank Sachinji, I thank Vidyutji, I thank all of you. Thank you so much. And I hope that you will be visiting the sites and you will do the needful as appropriate. Really love you, honor you, and really grateful to all of you. Take care, all of you. Bye. Have a wonderful day.